Hi folks, so here's a fun project. I decided I wanted to use a cookie cutter to make a heart shape and I didn't know how it would work. So I thought, well, let's try it. So I used a cookie cutter on the back of Kirkland photo paper, dropped my inks, used the same techniques that I always do, drop the inks, drop the alcohol, move them around with some heat gun, and I just used one shade of green, it's forest green, and voila, that's what happened. So as you can see, there are some bleeding edges, but I kind of like it. I like the organic nature of it. It was a quick, simple, fun thing to do. And I got some really cool patterns in the middle. I obviously added some gold because I can't stay without it. And it was just fun to make. And of course, it got me thinking about what kinds of different hearts I could make. So you'll see some other projects coming up because I did keep trying and I have a couple of variations on this. But it's a quick and fun project to try if you're making your own cards, especially for Valentine's Day, and you want to give somebody a card that has original art on it. It's a quick and fun project to try out. So let me know what you think of it, and if you have any tips or tricks of your own to share, I'd love to hear them. And of course, do keep letting me know in your comments what you think about my techniques, about these videos, if you like watching them, if you want me to make more of them, and all of the good stuff. So thanks again for watching, and I hope you try this out and let me know if you do and if you have any questions.